What does it actually take to build a truly self-sufficient off-grid home? Many people imagine a small cabin with solar panels, but real sustainability requires much more than that. Welcome back to Contain Your Life. Today we're exploring 9 essential structures that make an off-grid home practical, resilient, and capable of supporting long-term sustainable living. Let's start with the greenhouse. A greenhouse allows you to extend the growing season and produce food year-round in many climates. By trapping solar heat, greenhouses create a controlled environment where vegetables and herbs can grow even when outdoor temperatures are too cold. Next is the main cabin or house. The home itself should be designed for efficiency, ideally using passive solar design, proper insulation, and natural lighting. A well-designed structure reduces the amount of energy required for heating, cooling, and lighting. The third structure is the chicken coop. Chickens provide eggs, natural pest control, and valuable fertilizer for gardens. Small backyard flocks can produce a steady supply of protein while contributing nutrients back into the soil system. Water is the next critical resource, which is why many off-grid properties include a rainwater collection system. Rainwater harvesting uses roof surfaces and gutters to collect rainfall and store it in tanks or barrels. This water can be used for irrigation, livestock, and sometimes household use with proper filtration. The fifth essential structure is a woodshed. Storage may seem simple, but keeping firewood dry and protected from weather is important for heating and cooking in many off-grid homes. Another important structure is the root cellar. Root cellars use the natural cooling properties of underground soil to store vegetables such as potatoes, carrots, and squash for months without electricity. Food preservation continues with the long-term food pantry. A well-organized pantry stores preserved foods, canned goods, grains, and other staples that support year-round food security. Next is the compost system. Composting transforms organic waste, such as food scraps and plant material, into nutrient-rich soil. This process improves soil fertility and reduces waste. Finally, the workshop. A workshop allows homeowners to maintain tools, repair equipment, and build projects that keep the homestead running smoothly. When all these systems work together, an off-grid property becomes more than just a house. It becomes a small ecosystem designed for resilience, sustainability, and long-term independence. For many people downsizing or seeking simpler living later in life, these systems provide both security and self-reliance. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.